Hey friends, today I've got the TIDL Sport Pain Relief Cryotherapy Topical Spray. It's a menthol spray, and I'm going to give you my honest physical therapist review of this. Now, the active ingredient in this is menthol. Hope you can see that right there. It's at 10.5%, and so because it's menthol, which is a derivative of a mint plant, it's mint. It's what's found in other relief topical agents like creams and lotions and sprays. Gels as well, like Biofreeze is probably one of the big ones. Well, because it's plant-based, it says right here, plant-powered cryo relief. So I thought that was pretty cool. Nice, clever way to say that it's plant-based. So here's what it looks like inside. It's got a sleek black, black and yellow trim. Looks really nice. And we got a spray bottle here. It's got a nozzle here to lock and unlock it. Now this has typical directions like many other of the topical pain relief agents. It says it's for use for people 13 and up. If you're 12 or under, you're supposed to consult your doctor before using this. You want to keep this out of your eyes or any openings of your body whatsoever. This is not to be ingested. This just goes on your skin. And you only want to use this for up to 7 days on a body part. If something is hurting you more than 7 days and you've been using this consistently, you probably have something else going on that needs a little more medical attention than a menthol spray like this. And this is marketed for use to get temporary relief from aches and pains like simple backaches, strains, sore muscles, and even some relief for joint arthritis. Another ingredient I saw on the list of ingredients here, but it's not listed as an active ingredient, it's arnica. The arnica flower has an oil that comes out of it that is known to give some pain relief. So that's in here too. So I thought that's pretty cool. Now the directions say to apply this 3 to 4 times daily, not exceeding 4 times on the area that it bothers. So here's what it looks like. You just lock and unlock it like that. So it's locked when you turn it to the right. There's a little, it's kind of hard to see, but it's in there. It says lock and has an arrow going that way clockwise. If you turn it counterclockwise, the nozzle is exposed right there versus not exposed right there, exposed. So once the nozzle's out, then you're ready to press on it just like you would a spray can or hairspray or something. And you just, I'm gonna put it on my arm here, you just spray it on like that. Now I like this a lot because you don't have to touch the stuff with your fingers, because then you have to make sure you wash your hands. Otherwise, if you get it in your eyes or your mouth or something, then it doesn't feel too good. It's going to burn your eyes. And I do have to tell you, I tasted that a little bit. The spray, just a tiny bit got in my mouth. It's not bad at all. But it already has a cooling effect, and it actually smells really nice. It smells different than Biofreeze. Biofreeze has that strong menthol smell. And this does have a menthol smell, but it has a different odor to it. And it actually smells really, really nice. Like I kind of enjoy that secretly. And so I'm going to just do one more spray there, and I think that's probably enough. I just got an area a little bit higher, overlapping with the one that I just did. And it just, you don't rub it in, it just dries. It's got alcohol in there, like rubbing alcohol, and so that stuff just dries up as the air contacts it, and it leaves the menthol on there to give you that cooling effect, to give you that relief for your arthritis, your backaches, sprains, strains, sore muscles, those kinds of things. So overall, the pros to this, I like that it's that spray bottle. The odor is actually really nice. It smells good. And I love that you don't have to grab it with your fingers and rub it on, so you're not having to deal with washing your hands later on. The spray bottle works very nice. I like the unlock and lock features for the kids. I have 4 kids, so I wouldn't want them getting into this and accidentally spraying themselves. I like that I can lock it shut. I don't really have any cons for you on this. If anything, I just want to let you know that this is temporary relief. I get so many people asking me questions about these types of products like this TIDL Sport Cryotherapy. They're looking for long-term relief with this, and that's just not the intent of this. This is intended to give you some short-term relief so that you might fall asleep easier if you're dealing with an ache or pain, or so that you might sleep better through the night and you're not dealing with the discomfort of having to turn over or get up and move around because something's hurting you. You do need to make sure that you're treating the underlying root problem for your issues so that you can get that long-term relief that you're probably looking for. Now, this is the first time you're meeting me. My name is Dr. David Midoff, and I'm a specialist physical therapist. And this channel, Paso Manual Physical Therapy, is dedicated to helping people stay healthy, active, and mobile without relying on pain medications, things like this, injections, or of course, unnecessary surgeries. And we make videos with helpful advice exercises, stretches, and tips for a variety of conditions. You can go find those in our playlist. There's a link in the description below that will take you right to our playlist page where you can find videos about knee arthritis, back pain, and many different other conditions that you might be looking for long-term relief from. If you have any questions about this video, drop them in the comments below. Let us know if you've tried this out and if it's worked for you. We love to hear your thoughts on it, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.